everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can create a online banking account on Liberty Bank. Now for that, first of all, you open the web browser, then open a new tab, and on the search bar you need to type in libertybank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Now here you need to click on the login option on the right. Then as we are going to register for a new banking account, you need to click on Enroll. Click on that. Now here you need to enroll and you need to provide your details for the banking account. Now first of all, you need to choose the type of account that you have. From here, choose your account. Then here you type in the account number. Then you type in your social security number in here and you type in the security question. That can be whatever that can be. Then you need to fill out the answer for yourself as well. Now here you provide the email address for your account. And again you need to confirm the email address. Once you have filled in all the details, you click on Enroll, and with this you will be creating a banking account on the Liberty Bank. This way you will be able to create an online banking account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.